Imagine waking up in a house that already knows exactly what time you'll get up. The curtains open automatically to let in the sunlight. The temperature in each room adjusts automatically according to your preferences. The coffee starts brewing without you having to press a single button. And artificial intelligence constantly monitors security, energy consumption, and even your health. It may sound like science fiction, but in China, these homes already exist. While much of the world is still slowly adapting smart technology to their homes, China is building true houses of the future, where artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation are part of everyday life. From mansions controlled entirely by voice to homes that use facial recognition to identify each family member, these buildings are redefining what it means to live comfortably. And what's most impressive is that many of these technologies could become the global standard in the coming years. Today we'll explore 10 of China's most impressive smart homes, designed to look like they're straight out of 2050. Get ready, because some of them are so advanced they'll make your own home seem like it belongs to the last century. Number 10. The self-sufficient, eco-friendly house in Shenzhen. Shenzhen is known as China's Silicon Valley. Many technological innovations that later spread across the globe are born here, and it is precisely in this city that a smart home designed to function almost autonomously can be found. The house incorporates thousands of sensors distributed throughout the structure. These devices constantly monitor temperature, humidity, air quality, lighting, and energy consumption. Thanks to artificial intelligence, the system learns the inhabitants' routines and makes automatic adjustments to maximize comfort. But what is truly impressive is its energy capacity. State-of-the-art solar panels cover a large part of the roof and exterior walls. During the day, they generate more electricity than the house consumes, and the excess energy is stored in smart batteries capable of powering the house for several days. Even the garden's irrigation system uses artificial intelligence to determine how much water each plant needs. Nothing is wasted. Everything is optimized. It's a fairly close glimpse into what sustainable homes of the future could be like. Number 9. The villa with total facial recognition. Forget keys, forget even access codes. This spectacular home uses advanced facial recognition to control virtually all important functions. As you approach the main entrance, smart cameras instantly identify the residents. Doors unlock automatically, lights adjust according to the personal preferences of the person entering, the temperature changes automatically, and even favorite music starts playing in certain rooms. The system can distinguish between family members, guests, and authorized personnel. If it detects an unknown person, it activates advanced security protocols and immediately notifies the owner. Most interestingly, the system continues to learn over time. Each interaction helps refine the accuracy of the artificial intelligence, transforming the home into a kind of digital organism capable of perfectly recognizing its inhabitants. Number 8. The entirely voice-controlled house. Many smart homes today allow you to control certain functions using virtual assistants, but this house takes the concept to another level. Here, practically everything can be controlled using voice commands. Lights, windows, appliances, entertainment systems, security, climate control, even automated furniture. The house is equipped with a network of smart microphones strategically placed in each room. Artificial intelligence can identify who is speaking and execute specific commands based on their profile. For example, a child cannot modify certain sensitive systems, while the owners have full access. The experience is so seamless that it feels like the house is alive, as if each room listens and responds instantly to the needs of its occupants. Number 7. The robotic mansion of Hangzhou. In this home, robots are part of the household staff. We're not talking about simple automatic vacuum cleaners. We're talking about machines capable of performing multiple tasks. Some robots handle cleaning, others transport objects within the house, and some can even serve drinks or assist elderly residents. Artificial intelligence coordinates all these units to optimize the overall functioning of the home. If a resident needs help, they can request it via voice command or mobile app, and the nearest robot will arrive immediately. This integration between housing and robotics represents one of the most important trends of the technological future, especially in countries like China, where the aging population is driving the development of automated assistants. Number 6. The house that thinks for you. Imagine a home capable of anticipating your needs before you even express them. That's exactly what this experimental project aims to achieve. The system analyzes daily habits, hours of sleep, work routines, food preferences, energy consumption, and hundreds of other variables. With all this information, the artificial intelligence makes automatic decisions. It can prepare specific environments for gatherings, adjust lighting according to mood, optimize sleep, or even suggest healthy activities. The longer a person lives there, the smarter the house becomes, and the more accurate its predictive ability becomes. Number 5. The Smart Glass Residence. At first glance, it looks like a huge, futuristic glass structure, but its walls conceal extraordinary technology. The smart glass can automatically change its level of transparency. When the sun is too intense, it darkens to reduce heat, and when the outside light decreases, it becomes completely transparent again. This allows for enormous savings in heating and cooling energy. Furthermore, the glass panels incorporate sound insulation and advanced thermal control functions. The result is a bright, elegant, and extremely efficient home. A true demonstration of how smart materials are transforming modern architecture. Number 4. The house with an artificial intelligence brain. This home has a central system that functions as a true digital brain. Thousands of sensors constantly collect information, and artificial intelligence analyzes each piece of data in real time. It controls lighting, security, energy, appliances, entertainment systems, and climate control, all from a single integrated platform. The house is able to detect anomalies before they become problems. For example, it can identify a water leak, an electrical fault, or an attempted break-in long before the homeowner notices. It's like having a 24/7 IT manager on call. Number 3. The energy-positive home. Most homes consume energy, but this one generates more than it uses. Thanks to a combination of solar panels, smart batteries, energy recycling systems, and automated management, the home maintains a positive energy balance for much of the year. It can even supply electricity to the municipal grid. Artificial intelligence constantly analyzes consumption patterns to minimize waste. It's one of the most advanced examples of sustainability applied to the residential sector. Number 2. Shanghai's Mansion of the Future. Located in one of the most modern cities on the planet, this mansion looks like it came straight out of a futuristic movie. It boasts advanced biometric systems, smart elevators, interactive screens integrated into the walls, smart mirrors, complete control via mobile apps, and an artificial intelligence network that coordinates every aspect of the home. The level of automation is so advanced that it practically eliminates many everyday tasks. The owners can monitor the entire house from anywhere in the world, simply by using a smartphone. Number 1. The House of 2050, that already exists in China. And now we come to the most impressive home on our list, a project that many consider a real-life example of how we will live in several decades. Here, every imaginable technology converges: advanced artificial intelligence, home robotics, facial recognition, voice control, autonomous energy management, smart glass, predictive systems, and automated security. The home learns continuously, constantly adapts, and evolves alongside its inhabitants. It's not simply a house. It's a living technological platform, an intelligent ecosystem designed to make life more comfortable, efficient, and secure. And what's most surprising is that this vision of the future is no longer a distant idea. It's happening right now in China. For decades, smart homes seemed like a fantasy reserved for science fiction movies. However, the projects we just saw demonstrate that the future has already begun. China is investing enormous resources in artificial intelligence, automation, and advanced architecture to create increasingly intelligent homes. Homes capable of learning, adapting, and anticipating our needs. The real question is, are we simply looking at high-tech mansions for billionaires? Or are we seeing the housing model that millions of people will use in 20 or 30 years? Because if anything is clear after this tour, it's that the homes of the future already exist and are probably closer to becoming the norm than we imagine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on which of these incredible homes you'd like to own. See you in the next video.